earlier if I ever vlog and drive. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. And look at this view. We're in Seattle, off to a new adventure. Look who we have here. Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
Who's who? I think I'm dumb. I was gonna say I'm dumb.
And we are at the #2 rated best sandwich in the country, Un Bien. I didn't take much footage today because sometimes leaving town is really hard. The hardest part about road trips is getting out of town, honestly. It's midnight, it's just after midnight. I'm in North Cascades National Park, listening to the wind, looking at the Milky Way. I can't see it right now, but Diablo Lake is down below. It's like a perfect 68 degrees and kind of warm right now. Sky is full of stars and the Big Dipper's out. I'm with Tyler, Kelsey, and Hope. We're going to my favorite campsite in the country, Ross Lake. This is Hope and I's 3rd time here, and we love bringing friends. We're gonna hike down, get picked up by a speedboat, canoe to a campground that's on an island, then spend a couple days just off-grid. And I'm so looking forward to a couple more nights out under the stars. So tomorrow morning, we'll get a lot of the sillies, we'll get a lot of the laughs and all the fun stuff along the way. So hope you enjoy this vlog. Good morning. Waking up in the van. We got Kelsey and Hope over there in the bed. Tyler slept here. I slept in Lorenzo's lair. Come check this out. Beautiful morning out. Tyler and I got to see first light on the mountain peaks. We got that all to ourselves around 5 a.m. All right, what's going through your head as you see the lake for the first time?
I'm thinking cottage cluster. Right there.
Right on the lookout.
We made it to Ross Lake Dam Trailhead. My name is Josh Gordon, and follow along at Just Wavy J. We're gonna head on the trail. Let's go.
So this is how you get to Ross Lake. First thing you have to do is drive through the night to get to North Cascades. Then you wake up at the sickest lookout. Come check this out. Step 2, you pack everything you own. Look at everybody right now. You gotta. If you're not front packing it, you're not bringing enough stuff to Ross Lake.
You're not glamping.
You're not glamping. Once you walk down the mile hill to the start of the lake, gotta make a fun phone call.
Oh. So cute! Okay. Hi, we're calling for a portage from the dock.
Step 3, get picked up by a personal speedboat. The best 30-second speedboat ride you can take. All right, I've lost track of how many steps we're at. But now, we get in the canoe. Hope's in the back. Tyler and Kelsey are departing the bay. We're heading over to Spencer's Island. It's a 5-mile paddle. The waters are calm. Temperature is cool. Got a little bit of cloud cover, but it looks to be like it's gonna be a nice sunny day. So excited to embark on this trip with our friends. You got anything to say as we head out, Hope?
I'm just excited. It's gonna be a great weekend.
All right, as we embark upon this trip, what's going through your head right now?
I'm ready to let go and just be present for a couple days.
I like that.
It's been way more chill so far than I expected. Everything's been so easy.
Yeah, we're glamping.
Yeah. It's incredibly easy and smooth.
Our baguette all strapped in,
Wow, baguette's looking good,
not going anywhere.
except in our tummies.
Do you need a bite?
Easy, partner.
Uh-oh.
Don't be waving
Uh-oh.
that thing.
Uh-oh.
Wait, get
Whoa!
close. Wait.
Easy.
No, I'm gonna feed it to you.
Oh god.
My first baguette on Ross Lake.
Paper. Oh no.
Here, I'll get it done.
Does this count as our
That's
first
good.
snack break?
What's that? Is that a 100-year-old sourdough starter?
We've had a beautiful 1.5 hours, almost 4 miles of paddling. Kelsey and Tyler are up ahead, turning the last bend. We're almost at our campground, which is Spencer Island. Great backdrop of these mountains. That's gonna be the view. How's the ride been, Hope?
Just beautiful. So serene. The water was like glass when we first got out here.
Super glassy, no wind, makes for easy paddling. I said at Lost Lake that it was my favorite place in Oregon. Now we are pulling up to my favorite place in Oregon. We're on our way to Lost Lake, but Ross Lake at Spencer's, I think this is my favorite place in the country.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. Oh,
Kelsey, are you next?
I'm alive.
I'm next.
Woo!
Nice.
Our goddess emerges from the sea.
So crazy that you can just see it perfectly the whole time.
Uh-huh.
Ladies are in the lake. Over here we've got camp set up. Couple hammocks hanging in the tree. Tent set up. Some chairs. We got a portable campfire for tonight. Tyler and Kelsey's tent. A perfect site. And now it's time for some relaxing.
It's a little chilly. Oh, it feels good.
I know, do you feel alive now?
Yeah.
I feel like because it's a little colder than you want it to be, it like invigorates you a little bit.
Yeah.
Whoa, hella fishies.
Oh, hey. Wow. Oh, yeah. This is what dreams are made of.
Hey now. Hey now.
What are you drawing?
Drawing Kelsey
You drawing Kelsey?
in the hammock.
Nice. I just woke up from a great nap. Kelsey and Tyler are napping in the hammocks. Hope is drawing, having some quiet time. I keep really loving the sound of the wind amongst the trees. It just sounds so good here. I'm enjoying being barefoot in the soft dirt. It feels good to just allow yourself to be slow. I read some of my Field magazine to the crew. This story right here about this group of women who set sail on a 50-foot wooden catamaran. Very cool story. We're gonna finish that later. And check this out. Just set this up. Got a portable, fire ban approved campfire. That's the good stuff right there. Time has come that we were all unsure if it would arrive. It's drizzling.
Oh.
That was lightning. Here it comes. What are we pouring up right now?
I
Land
really feel like
mass.
it right now.
Landmass?
Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir. Pairs perfectly with
All the Amity Hills.
Amity. Pairs perfectly with some rain and a side of thunder. Speechless. Look at this moss.
Yeah. So
This is.
Do you want to lay in it?
that's P&W.
Should I just lean back?
Yeah. So good. It's so good.
Oh, that is good. Who else wants to try? Hope.
Put your hand in it.
I just laid in it.
Put your hand in it.
It is squishy. Are you tracking wild animals right now?
I don't know shit. So that's deer.
Where?
Right there.
Hold on.
There's deer hooves. And look at that.
This is deer? Oh. What else? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, don't step on it.
Oh, shit. You're right.
Oh, that's bird.
Bird. That's a
See,
huge
it's
bird.
30. It was probably that heron. Dude, we got some prints.
We have a sun shower going on right now.
Drizzle?
What are we cooking for dinner?
We're making fish tacos with some cod, cilantro, homemade slaw, mango salsa, mac salad on the side, limes, fresh cilantro, butter to cook the fish in, oil for Josh. A divine backpacking meal.
Fully loaded taco. Something sweet. Then a nice sunset. Ending the night. Everyone's enjoying their munch. We got some last light on these mountains. Wow, look at that last light. That's like Sedona. The sunset keeps getting better and better.
Oh, true.
Oh my god.
And that's an iPhone 9.
It's a 10. Fuck off.
And that's an iPhone 9. Yeah.
Do you hear that? I'm not sure if the GoPro hears it. It's rain against the tent. It's nice. Yeah. Good night. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. I think I'm the first one up out of the crew. They're all back there sleeping. I'm going to take a little bit of a bath. never regret a sunrise, and you never regret a cold dip. Uber for Josh? We found a waterfall down May Creek. Led by Captain T.
Yeah, when did they start doing that?
The bill?
Like in the mail?
Oh,
I've like paid.
if you just go through the credit,
Chelsea's making coffee.
one where you actually like don't have to pay, they'll just grab your license plate and send you a bill. So if you don't want to have to stop, you can do that.
I like stopping.
It's kind of like a ritual.
I don't like surprise.
Got fresh melon and bloobs. Funny story, we actually forgot our eggs and bacon this morning.
And sausage.
And sausage. And we didn't make biscuits. So we have no breakfast this morning, but we packed so much good food that we have a breakfast of champions even without planning it.
Not looking.
Yeah, like try to like not really look that hard.
It's actually not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Okay, and then I think we toss.
Looking at a quesadilla with caramelized onions.
Wow. Put it down.
Good night.
So we didn't plan on making this breakfast, but innovative chefs figured out a way to turn snacks into a meal. Just lots of heavy breathing waiting for our quesadilla.
Okay, I'm gonna flip.
Oh, she's flipping.
Bitch, you! Thank you for this quesadilla. Thank you for Hope's methods or trial and error. She came in with this with creativity and an open mind, and we thank you for this meal.
Thank you.
Bless the fuck up. Dreading the return to boarding school that Monday morning would bring. I'd stay until the very last blue hue in the sky, until darkness had successfully completed its hostile takeover of the day. Then I'd ride home in near total darkness with the timid yellow headlight as my only reference point. It was on those Sunday rides that I learned to look at the light, how the yellow headlight was pleasant to look at in the blue hour, how inviting it felt.
Tyler just gave me this because he knows how much I love Fireball. What are you sipping on?
Some Gamay from Loop-de-Loop. Some Gamay from Loop-de-Loop. Some Gamay from Loop-de-Loop.
We have a sommelier on deck. What are we drinking tonight with the hot pot?
Maloof Gewürztraminer, 100%.
Can you say that again?
Gewürztraminer, 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 Gewürztraminer.
Okay, so Gamay from Loop-de-Loop. Whatever that is, I'm sure it's good. Would you say the Gamay from the Loop-de-Loop is tasty, Hope?
I literally was just saying to Kelsey and exclaiming about how delicious it was. And then we were just chatting about how this was, out of the 5 wines they tried, the one they walked away with. Okay, Queen. Okay, Toe Queen. Joshua, how are you not getting this?
Oh my god. Stop.
Oh, I'm changing the paper.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah, it is.
Is your book good?
It's really good.
Double airplane ball.
Yeah, this is definitely the coolest thing you've done. You've done on the vlog.
I'm pumped right now. The blood is flowing. Look at that. Feel that.
Oh no.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
The tried and true camp meal. Tortellini with pesto. Hand chopped parm. Fresh greens.
Together in one bite.
I think that's too much for me.
For the sneaky treats, and not sneaky cookies, but sneaky sweet treats. And we
Yeah.
are forever thankful.
All right, folks, buckle in, strap up. Make sure you have your dry suit on because we're going for a canoe ride. If you look straight ahead, we have the mound. It's about to turn a cotton candy Corvette color sky tonight, if you know what I mean.
Let's go down, down in the river to pray.
Oh, sister, let's go down. Let's go down. Oh, sister, let's go down. Down in the river to pray.
I hear him. The creek's popping off, actually.
Yep, Douglas fir.
For sure, that's a Douglas fir. I'm almost certain.
What was the thing you looked at when we went to the pre-dinner walk?
It was a pyroclastic flow.
What?
How did you identify it as a pyroclastic flow?
It's slowly sorted and it had an ash layer as the matrix.
And it had a little bit of oxidation to it, didn't it?
It had a little bit of iron oxidation.
Well, actually, rocks can't have zero planes of cleavage. Some rocks have planes of cleavage, but some have zero planes of cleavage. My favorite planes of cleavage are 30 and 60 degrees. It's actually important that you do a clap. You see it and you go.
I don't think I've ever done that. I'm sure.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a round. That was a little around. That was a little around. It's more from the top now.
All right, hit the knees on 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Oh no.
All right, y'all ready for this? Let's hit it in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
All good things come to an end. It's a good morning. We waved bye to the campsite, and now we head home as we have first light on the peaks. We've had a great couple days at Ross Lake, and we're departing bright and early so we can paddle with no wind on the glassy lake.
Set the sails high. Leave home. Something, never shall we die.
Wow, look at those light beams. Come over the mountaintop. That is cool. Some of the best breaths I've had is here. I feel like this air is just so good.
She's peeing. Oh God, I can see it. It's a waterfall. Get out of here. You're onions. Get over here.
Oh.
I really just too hard, and I was like.
Oh.
Wrapping up the trip on the lake. After a beautiful paddle this morning, back to the resort we go. And this is the resort. North Cascades National Park. We're home. A long drive from the North Cascades. Ponga's happy. Aren't you, Ponga? Well, any last words to the vlog?
Thanks for joining, folks.
Yeah, lived lifetimes with y'all. Thanks for tagging along to the next one.
That's Ross Lake with Tyler, Kelsey, and Hope.